Hey, this is Captain Phillip with Airworthy Tours, your guide in the sky. And today, we're going to look at 10 interesting facts about the Golden Gate Bridge. So, let's get started.
Construction for the Golden Gate Bridge actually began during the Great Depression. However, it still finished under budget and ahead of schedule. Work began in January of 1933, and the bridge was completed on May 27, 1937. By the time construction on the bridge was completed, the total cost came to $35 million. Adjusted for inflation, it would cost about $607 million today. The total length of the Golden Gate Bridge is 1.7 miles. The height of the bridge above the water is 220 feet, and the towers stand at 746 feet tall. The color of the Golden Gate Bridge is known as International Orange. The color was actually supposed to be a primer for an eventual blue and yellow colorway. Luckily for us, the consulting architect decided the primer color was both highly visible and more pleasing to the eye. The rest is history. Fortune 500 company Sherwin-Williams supplies the paint for the bridge. As for the painting schedule, there isn't one, so to say. The bridge is painted continuously. Painting the bridge is an ongoing task and a primary maintenance job. The paint actually protects the steel from the high salt content in the air, which can cause the steel to corrode or rust. Let's talk about our favorite topic, traffic. On average, the bridge sees about 110 vehicles per day and over 40 million vehicles per year, with revenue in 2019 from tolls totaling $150 billion. If you decide to drive across the bridge, be aware that it does see an average of 105 foggy days a year. However, if you are looking to get a good picture on a nice day, you won't be alone. According to Facts.net, the Golden Gate Bridge is the most photographed bridge in the world. And speaking of photos, if you are looking for a beautiful picture, make sure to visit our gift shop at www.airworthyprints.com, where you can find beautiful landscape pictures for your home, office, or home office. Free shipping and a digital print is provided on each purchase. Now, let's get back to the tour. The Golden Gate Bridge has been destroyed on screen in at least 10 movies, including San Andreas, Superman, Godzilla, Pacific Rim, and Terminator Genisys. Let us know your favorite Golden Gate movie scene in the comment section below. However, the Golden Gate Bridge did face a very serious threat on its 50th anniversary. When over 300,000 people packed the bridge, the middle of the bridge sagged 7 feet under the unprecedented weight, causing the iconic arch to flatten. Fortunately, it did not give, due to the reinforcement done just the previous year. And we're going to end this tour on a more serious note. Over 1,600 people have committed suicide by jumping off the bridge. The bridge has instituted suicide hotlines on the walkways. In addition, the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline is 1-800-273-8255.
Did you learn a lot today? If so, you can tip your tour guide by hitting the like button. Also, make sure you are subscribed to the channel to be a part of future aerial tours. And thank you for flying with Airworthy Tours, and we look forward to seeing you on our next flight.